Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word installments. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She decided to pay for the new car in monthly installments rather than all at once. Installments refer to payments made at regular intervals until a debt or purchase is fully paid off, typically split into equal amounts over a set period. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.